Hey editors, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I will teach you how to make AE-like text and save your time instead of editing your text manually for your edits. So let's start. First, arrange your clips in order. Then go to text and click on auto captions. Then click generate. Wait for it to complete. Now you can see the text has been generated.
About show of the characters in the show's superpowers real.
Make it all capital letters. You can choose any font you want, and then you can fix its size and position. Scroll down and enable shadow. Adjust the values like I do. And you can fix the words that don't match. Sometimes it can happen, so you can fix it manually. Once it's done, select all text layers and go to animations, and then captions. Look for fade in. There are two types of it. We need to apply fade in 1 only on all text.
Now it should look like this.
About show of the characters in the show's superpowers real.
You can choose your color, whatever you want to use here. Now you need to slightly stretch every single text layer because we will apply fade out animation on it later. You can uncheck apply to all to manually edit fonts, colors, size, so it won't be applied to every text layer that has been generated earlier. After you are done, create every text layer into a compound clip. Once it's created, select it and go to Animations and Out. Then select Fade Out. Set its duration to 0.2. Do the same with other text layers. Now go to Effects and search for Glow 2. Add it above these compound clip of texts. Then select those compound clips and the effect only and create it into a new compound clip. Now we have that After Effects-like glowy text without spending too much time. I hope it helps you. Thank you for watching. Like and comment, and I'll see you in the next one.